Hello and welcome to another episode of Out and About with Dubai Uncut. I'm Michelle and I'll be your guide to everything hot and happening in Dubai. First up this week, it's Folly. For those that don't know, Folly is back and back with a bang. A new venue, a new menu, a new chef. I was seriously impressed. The venue itself is absolutely beautiful. It's reminiscent of a Victorian orangery. With its high glass ceilings, with beautiful chandeliers, it seriously is impressive. The menu itself is very opulent and the food was absolutely fantastic. Standouts for me were the Dorset crab salad and the beef tenderloin with the truffle terrine. The duo of lamb with the crispy sweetbreads was absolutely magnificent. Chef Michael O'Shea is leading the kitchen. He absolutely knows his stuff. He works magic in the kitchen. Service was extremely friendly and professional. Add Folly to the top of your must-try list. I guarantee you'll love it. Folly is now at the address Montgomery in Emirates Hills. Next up on my weekly update is Slaw. Dubai has many fantastic burger restaurants and Slaw is in my top 5. I've been a big fan of them for many, many years. All their burgers are made using top quality meat in a smash patty style. It was my first time trying their corn ribs. They were absolutely delicious and bursting full of flavour. I also really like the chicken tenders and the loaded fries were to die for. Everything I tried is available in all branches of Slaw all across Dubai. Next up, I went to a restaurant called Rajdhani in Karama. I could not believe the price of the Thali. It was only 56 dirhams. I was served an absolute feast of a thali. It consisted of 25 different Indian vegetarian dishes. I was given a rose welcome drink, some buttermilk and some water. They were all included in the price of the thali. The waiters constructed my thali right in front of me tableside. As they were doing, they was explaining every dish as they went. Throughout the meal, the waiters asked me if I like any more, but I was so stuffed full, so much food. I thoroughly enjoyed every bite. It's such a great way to try different dishes. Everyone was so friendly, they made me feel so welcome. I'll definitely be returning again soon with friends and family. Last but not least, we visited a restaurant called Veranda in JLT. The restaurant was so good it's jumped straight into my top 3 of Greek restaurants in Dubai. We went to try out their new Saturday night Greek experience. The restaurant has an absolutely beautiful setting right on the JLT lakes. We were entertained all night with a Greek singer, a Greek guitarist. It gave complete Greek vibes. 2 set menus have been specially curated for Greek night. We decided to try one of each. We were served a good variety of Greek mezes, Greek salads, red cabbage and pita bread. Everything tasted so authentic. I really felt like I'd just stepped into a restaurant in Greece. Chicken platter consisted of chicken souvlaki and chicken gyros. The meat platter had lamb chops, beef kofti, grilled vegetables and warm pita bread. Everything had been cooked on a charcoal grill and tasted absolutely sensational. The dessert platter was absolutely delicious. It consisted of portocalo pita, which is an orange and syrup cake, and some whipped Greek yogurt with walnuts and honey. Absolute perfection. We had a good selection of excellent Greek wines throughout the evening. This restaurant is one not to be missed. Veranda in JLT. Thank you for tuning in to this week's episode of Out and About with Dubai Uncut. I've been your host, Michelle. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you have any restaurants you want me to visit next week, just leave a comment below.